In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix US bank login issues. Let's get started. First, check the basics. Make sure your username and password are correct and try refreshing the page or restarting the app. First, close the app and relaunch it. Now try to log in. Next, if you're using the browser, clear cache for it. Click on three dots, select the option delete browsing data. Go ahead and select the time range. Then click on delete data and confirm it. If you're using the app, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store, search for the app. Now if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, if you're having issues logging into the app, you can use the web version. Launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of US Bank. Now from here, you can try to log in. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data. In case you are using VPNs or proxies, you'll need to disable it as these can interfere with secure banking logins. Lastly, you can click on the option forget password and reset your password. This way you might be able to log in. And that's it. Following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.